8130. The identifying marks on the heads of aluminum alloy rivets indicate A. The degree of dimensional and process control observed during manufacture. B. Head shape, shank size, material used, and specifications adhered to during manufacture. C. The specific alloy used in the manufacture of the rivets. The correct answer is C. The identifying marks on the heads of aluminum alloy rivets indicate the specific alloy used in the manufacture of the rivets. The marks are typically a letter or number code that corresponds to a specific alloy. For example, an MS20470D rivet is made from 2117 T4 aluminum alloy. The marks may also include other information, such as the head shape, shank size, and specifications adhered to during manufacture. 8131. When an MS20470D rivet is installed, its full shear strength is obtained. A. Only after a period of age hardening. B. By the cold working of the rivet metal in forming a shop head. C. By heat treating just prior to being driven. The correct answer is A. An MS20470D rivet, commonly known as an icebox rivet, requires heat treatment prior to being driven. Once the rivet is heat treated and removed from the quench bath, it is stored in a sub-freezing refrigerator to maintain its softness until it is ready for installation. Once driven, the rivet undergoes an age hardening process. Within 1 hour, it regains approximately half of its strength, and it reaches its full strength within 4 days. This gradual strengthening process ensures the rivet's optimal performance and durability in the aircraft structure. 8132. Which of the following need not be considered when determining minimum rivet spacing? A. Rivet diameter. B. Rivet length. C. Type of material being used. The correct answer is B. Rivet length need not be considered when determining minimum rivet spacing. The minimum rivet spacing is determined by the rivet diameter and the type of material being used. The rivet length does not affect the minimum rivet spacing. 8133. What is the purpose of refrigerating 2017 and 2024 aluminum alloy rivets after heat treatment? A. To accelerate age hardening. B. To relieve internal stresses. C. To retard age hardening. The correct answer is C. The purpose of refrigerating 2017 and 2024 aluminum alloy rivets after heat treatment is to retard or slow down the process of age hardening. Age hardening is a natural aging process that occurs in certain aluminum alloys, and refrigerating the rivets helps control this process and maintain their desired mechanical properties. 8134. Under certain conditions, rivets are not used because of their A. Low strength characteristics. B. Unique design that causes crazing or cracking. C. Tendency toward embrittlement when subjected to vibration. The correct answer is A. Type A rivets, which are made of commercially pure aluminum, are generally not used for aircraft structural repair due to their low-strength properties. In aircraft construction and repair, rivets with higher strength alloys are preferred to ensure the structural integrity and durability of the aircraft. Therefore, alternative rivet types with superior strength characteristics are utilized for aircraft structural repairs.